Hello everyone, in this video I am quickly going to show you how you can scrap this fatality rate and the recovery rate from this website. Okay, so let me just go and create new bot here. I'll name the bot as bot itself. Okay, then I'm going to use steps here. The first step will going to be capture data. Okay, so I will use two capture action here. One is for fatality rate and one is for recovery rate. Okay, fatality rate and recovery rate. I'll go here. Okay, then I need to take these two new window just to capture the window. Okay, I'll refresh this. Okay, then select the window from here and then capture object. The first thing which I am going to capture is this fatality rate. Okay, just wait for the red box to appear. Okay, here it is. Now you can see I'm not able to capture this particular number. Okay, I can capture this recovery rate, this complete box, but I'm not able to capture this. So what I'll do, I'll just capture this complete box. Okay, I'll do, you can see here in the preview, capture complete box. Okay, I'll do same. Now first let me just, I'll go with get property, and in the get property I have to get this thing. Okay, this HTML inner text which has the complete text which is inside that box. Okay, 2% of total cases fatality rate, the complete text is in here. Okay, of total cases 2% fatality rate. So what I'll do, I'll just get this HTML inner text with a get property and I'll paste it here. I'm going to click on run in the background and then assign it to a variable. So I'll create a variable fatality. Okay, fatality rate of type string. I'll do same for this recovery rate. Again I'll go here, I'll select the window, I'll go on capture a whole window. I'll do same in here. As you can see, this is also inner text. Okay, 71.2% inner text, and it captured the complete window. So what I'll do, get property, run in the background and inner text. Okay, and then I'll store it in a variable fatality rate. Sorry, this is recovery rate. Okay, the first thing is done. Second thing is we need to extract that percentage. Okay, what I want, I just want this percentage from both the fatality rate and recovery rate variable. So what I'll do, I'll use the string option. First let me just, okay, I just added this step here and I'll use string option, string action, and in this I'll use this extract text. I need to extract two text from fatality and recovery, so I'll use it 2 times. And then source string is first is fatality rate. Okay, I'll use this because I want to, let me just copy that text so you will be able to understand. Now you can understand. Let me just minimize this. Now you can see here I want this 2%. Okay, and this 2% is between this of total cases and fertility rate. So what I'll use here, I'll use before and after. Before 2% is this and after 2% is this. Okay, so what I'll use, and I will get this middle percentage. Okay, so what I'll use, before and after. So before, start after text, start after this text. Okay, I'll place it here. Occurrence is only one, and end after text is this. Okay, I think this is fertility rate, right? Yep. End after this text. Okay, and then this 2%. Okay, by this it will get this 2%, which is in between both this text, and this 2% I'll store in variable. First is fertility, okay, and I'll say this. Then second thing is I need to get text from the recovery rate also. Okay, then of total cases remains the same, which is in before and after, and in the place of fertility rate there is recovery rate. Okay, okay, and I'll again store this in variable recovery. Let me just save this, and then now I will use message box activity. This is the variable where the percentage is stored, and recovery rate is in the recovery variable. Okay, now I need to keep this window running. Then what I'll do, I'll just click on run the bot, and now you can see it is going to capture both 2% and 71.2%. Let's just wait for the bot to run. Okay, here it is. Fertility rate is 2% and recovery rate is 71.2%. That's it.